Today I will talk about how can you enable notifications overnight on your notifications on your Amazon Alexa app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click on more, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click on notifications here. When you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on calendar here, then it's going to take you to this list. So just switching to open video like this. Click here on calendar notifications, just click on it. You come to this list, so then all you have to do, just come here to allow notifications overnight. Just click in this sign. So then here no device available, so I have no device, but if you have it, it's going to enable video here automatically on your Amazon Alexa app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,